Bluegill Fever reporting live from the bomb shelter.
From Bluegill Fever Studios.
The bomb shelter, also known as.
Same thing.
Well, Hurricane Sandy is amongst us. Look around. It's the eye of the storm.
She's beautiful.
What a beautiful girl. Alright, well, Hurricane Sandy.
Beautiful squirrel.
Sorry.
Oh, it's recording.
Bluegill Fever reporting live from the bomb shelter.
Bluegill Fever.
What are you doing?
Balls. Smells wicked. Bluegill Fever reporting.
God.
Stop starting. Guys, Bluegill Fever reporting live. Can you stop? I swear. Guys, Bluegill Fever reporting live from the bomb shelter. Hurricane Sandy is amongst us.
This bomb shelter is soon going to be Bluegill Fever Studios.
Well, what a beautiful hurricane indeed,
Beautiful
because
squirrel she is.
it gives us the wonderful, joyous idea of making this video. So, what should we tell the people in this video, John?
Well, if you're going to
Fish in the hurricane.
fish
Don't use
for
top.
bluegill,
Don't use top water jigs. Set deep, about yay deep, right?
yay, very yay.
Yay deep, and that's set about that deep. All right, and then. Alright, guys.
Recording live from Bluegill Fever Studios.
Alright, stop. Restart. Pretty live. Reporting live from the bomb shelter. Hurricane Sandy is amongst us. What's
Your face.
deporting? Indeed. No, don't.
Lift it, lift it, lift it, lift.
Hey. What are you doing? I'm claustrophobic.
Alright, go. Zach, be home. We're gonna. Stop.
Bluegill Fever. Ow! Bluegill Fever. Reporting live. Ow!
Do it.
Ow! Ow! Bluegill Fever reporting live from the bomb shelter.
Can we do that again, please?
No, I'm gonna lock it in. No! I'm claustrophobic, don't lock it, really. Hurricane Sandy reporting live.
No, Zach, you gotta go.
Stop making bloopers, really.
Hey guys, Bluegill Fever reporting live.
Oh!
I was expecting you to go, ow, and I just close it like that.
Ow, dude, really?
Sorry.
Hit me right in the nose.
Sorry.